Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the join key. This is critical. Open both attribute tables and confirm a common ID or code exists and uses the same data type. If types differ, convert one with the field calculator. If you have duplicates or null, clean or flag them first. Once done, save any edits and set the layer with the target attributes as the active layer. Make sure to back up shapefiles or geo-package copies before proceeding to the join step. You now execute the join. Open layer properties for the target layer and select the Joins tab. Pick the join layer and map the matching fields. Alternatively, run processing right arrow join attributes by field value for more control, choosing inner or left join depending on whether you need unmatched rows preserved. Once the join appears correct in the attribute table, decide whether to keep it virtual or make it permanent. To finalize, you save as or you finish by validating the result. Open the exported layer and scan joined fields for completeness, correct types, and unexpected null. If values are missing, check for subtle mismatches like extra spaces, different case, or number versus text types, trim or cast fields, and rerun the join. If duplicates produced multiple matches, use aggregate or group by to consolidate, then rejoin. Finally, save your project and document which fields were added. This prevents repeated troubleshooting later and keeps your workflow reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.